I know that I'm really late, but let's talk about the future of the artificial intelligence in a programming skill.
Big tech companies like Meta, Google, and Amazon have been laying off a staggering amount of workers.
GitHub Copilot has changed the way that I code, and I am obsessed with it.
GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that we built to help you rediscover the joy and creativity of coding.
AI has been making its way into coding world actually for a while right now. Let's take for example GitHub Copilot, which was created for a very long time ago, and now really freaking cool tool which is primarily integrated into Visual Studio Code as a web developer, which I really love, by the way. For those of who don't know what I am talking about, GitHub Copilot is a machine learning tool used by developer community worldwide, which uses machine learning to understand and write code instead or with developer, which means GitHub Copilot can write more efficient and effective code simultaneously.
Don't look at me like that. I'm just a developer which lose his job because he didn't know how to use GitHub Copilot. Okay guys, let's talk about how GitHub Copilot and artificial intelligence is gonna impact on the hiring process. As this tool becomes more widely adopted, employers will start to look for candidates which know how to use big data and familiar with using artificial intelligence tools like GitHub Copilot, but not only them. This will create a bunch of new problems for new developers in the area, because hirers or employers will look for candidates which have a new set of skills and qualifications as like knowledge of using artificial intelligence, because if this shit is gonna make you more productive, so why don't you use it? And let's be honest, this video is not about horror film where artificial intelligence is gonna take over the planet. GitHub Copilot is far from taking over programmers' jobs. GitHub Copilot is not a replacement for human beings and developers. Let's look at the GitHub Copilot's official YouTube channel, what they are saying about their creation.
GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that we built to help you rediscover the joy and creativity of coding.
Is AI gonna take over your job because it's making your work a little bit more productive, giving you code snippets, giving you a better experience of programming? Hell no! The real human programmers, their skills, creativity, communication skills, human being mindset still play the main role in the industry, still play the main role in software development. So that's why they are still getting paid hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. So don't worry about it. I don't want this video to just be an educational video where I am saying what GitHub Copilot is and how you should use it. I want to give you a little snippets what should you exactly do on how to be prepared for artificial intelligence pandemic. First of all, be this guy in the room. Be tolerant for new things. Remember the story of Yahoo, which didn't take Google too seriously, and now Google worth trillions of dollars and Yahoo is just bankrupt bullshit company which doesn't make any sense to be. So don't be Yahoo. GitHub Copilot X is just one of the little steps which humanity is doing towards the evolution of artificial intelligence in the IT industry.
AI is going to do all the coding in the next 5 to 10 years, and all the programmers that exist now are going to be out of a job.
And if you are a programmer which not in artificial intelligence or machine learning, you better come in right now. But if you are somebody who thinks about becoming a developer, becoming a programmer because he sees what kind of crazy things are going on in IT, you better start with little things. Python development, JavaScript development, become a normal dude, learning basic things, because when you're starting right now from artificial intelligence, you're gonna piss off. And I'm saying all of it because of love, because I tried multiple fucking times to get into artificial intelligence, because this is why my startup idea to create artificial intelligence before a fucking ChatGPT, and it all happened with no coding skills, and I pissed off. You better not retry my mistakes. Learn new things step by step. Python development, JavaScript development, C# development, and then you're gonna beat them up. For every freaking body watching this video, figure it out the way which you can get rich using via artificial intelligence. I'm not that guy which are saying you to use artificial intelligence in order to get rich. Yeah, maybe for your first step and one of the little stages at your career, you have to use them. But the problem with using another tools, for ChatGPT 4th generation is already paying tool. Same with GitHub Copilot, $10 a month. If you are relying on that in order to make your money, you can get crashed, because you cannot rely on anybody apart from yourself and Allah. So making artificial intelligence and learning how to code won't just make you a little bit more clever, but also help you to get rich. And we're not talking about $1 million, we're talking about multi-billion dollars, and even maybe $1 trillion, why not? So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. See you in the next episodes. Peace.